Elijah?
I'm Josiah.
Josiah, you're 75. What's your name? Elijah Molinar? Okay, you're green. Daniel Medina? Say again? No, we got another 40. I'm just kidding. No, here you got, right here. Well, check it out. You got 3. Okay, Daniel Medina, you're red. Elijah Molinar, you're green. We're the only one fucking wrestling here, man. Where's my sponsor unit?
Dude, she's over there in the stands, bro.
Doing what?
You don't give a shit. She got that from
Did she get? Oh. Fuck, I'm gonna go kick somebody else's ass. Not that fat tub of shit over there.
Don't let the devil dog inside of you come out of there.
Oh, eat his face off.
Bernie!
Hey, I need a drink, bro. I need a fucking drink. Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. We could take the kids to one of the house and let them play video games. 2, take down red.
Chin up. Pull your left hand, right hand down. Pull your right hand down. Pull that off your cheek. Pull it off your cheek. Pull the elbow down.
Time! Bro.
You waved off the takedown?
Huh?
You waved off the takedown. 0-0.
Okay, 0-0. All right. You waved it off? Okay, stand by.
Come on, fight! Let's go! Suck it up! Let's go! Hey! Let's do
Gotta get your hands
Jacked up, she's been watching
We should send him your boy over there to talk to that fat piece of garbage. Two reversal. Plus 2. Fuck out. Yeah, I call him fat. You can take your fat ass back over there if you want.
Hey, both y'all got your pieces over there.
Nah, I got thunder and lightning here, bro.
Hey, with this green one, shit, the shit.
What was the call? What was the call? Two green. 2 green.
My sweater.
2 green there. 2 green.
My back.
Reversal green.
They waved it off.
So you're at 4-2. So you're at 4-2.
No, it's 4-0. You guys on the score. You waved it.
What are y'all doing? You said hit what they get.
Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I've been doing.
Because
But he waved off the takedown from the first one, so I had to put this back to zero, delete it, and then he had a near fall, two near fall,
So why is there a reversal?
or a reversal. I'm sorry.
Oh, because they start on bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, Red has two.
Second round. How was the second round?
Somebody's got to talk to that fat piece of shit over there too, that sitting on the table. I'm gonna go over there and fucking eat his face off in a second.
Yeah, we prefer Charles Bond.
What? Okay, we're good? Alright, 4-0. Jack comes over here and goes, hey, they don't have any trouble over there. Alright. Oh, we're scorekeeping. Wait, hold on, I'm the scorekeeper.
Whoever you put in for scoring. And today announced at the beginning, I'll hit your roster so you can turn it for 6 months.
Hey, so what's the plan, Joe?
Wherever y'all want to go, James Don.
I need a drink, bro. Yeah, but we got the baboon.
Wherever y'all want to do. I'm going to need a drink, though. Yes. What? I'll go see how much it is.
Babe, you have my credit card? Babe, you have my credit card?
Two green.
I'm not taking that.
Let's go, Sandy.
Yeah, my God. Tony goes up and gives my coach's man and so forth. Let's go. Yeah, they put it. They moved them up to who's scoring. They don't score with them.
It's your fault, Red.
Go down. I don't know why they took the teams off. Yeah, 1, 2.
Okay, hey coach. Yeah, you have to turn these. I'm just saying, you have to have these 5 kids to do. We got 8-2, right?
Hey, even if it was 2-0, right?